So the beauty of kebabs is you can kind of make them whatever taste you want, really. Traditional Turkish kebabs, Middle Eastern kebabs, all have different flavours. So this is my take on it, really, and it's not going to be too bad at all. So we've got the chicken thighs. There they are, and that's what I'm going to use today. Chicken thighs with no bones in. But first of all, let's make our marinade. So firstly, let's get some yogurt in, because this is what's going to make the chicken nice and tender. And then what we'll do now is we'll start adding a few spices. Ground cumin, we'll just put a teaspoon in. And then we have traditional Turkish sumac. So we've got the same again, about a teaspoon of sumac, and it's very sweet and lemony, which is awesome. I also want a little bit of heat, not too much heat, just a little bit. So I'm going to go with some Kashmiri chili, just a spoon again. Not traditional, but it is a chili, and it's going to make it taste really nice. And then we've got some dried oregano, or in the States you'll say oregano. Why say oregano, but you do. I'll put that in as well. So that is going to be our marinade. Nothing special. If you want other things in it, then you add other things to it. Mix it up with our yogurt, and we don't get any lumps. So I nearly forgot one of the most important spices to put in, and that's our paprika. So we should have a nice taste with this. Give it a stir. Make sure it's all covered in yogurt. And then we're going to cover it up and put it in the fridge for 2 or 3 hours before we get it on the kebab machine. There it is, in the fridge. Give it a couple of hours, 3 hours, and then we'll get it on the machine. They're going to be absolutely fantastic.